Now, Meta has said that new WhatsApp features will begin rolling out across the world over the coming weeks. However, job cuts at Meta have painted a bleaker picture of growth for the company recently. In December last year, jobs were cut, impacting 10,000 employees, and on March the 13th, Meta announced a fresh round of job cuts, with plans to announce a further team size reduction by about 10,000 in tech groups around late April and then business groups in late May. Meta's CEO Zuckerberg said he expects the current climate of layoffs and restructuring to last for years. However, Meta also announced total expenses to fall to around the $86 to $92 billion mark versus prior levels of $89 to $95 billion. And that saw shares gain on the announcement as the company is expected to spend less expenses in the future. So, will a leaner Meta be poised to still see further gains this year? Technically, we're moving into that 100 and 200 exponential moving average, which is stiff resistance around that $220 mark. However, the seasonals for Meta are certainly strong. Over the last 9 years, between March the 23rd and the 25th of July, Meta shares have risen by an average of over 25%. The winning percentage is 100%, and the maximum drawdown is just over 12%, but the maximum rise, pretty impressive figures with 36s, 65, 28, and 23 to the upside. So is Meta worth buying into this year? Major trade risks. The major trade risk, of course, is that a hard US recession further weighs on sentiment and share prices. Remember, don't just trade it, but seize an exit.